Welcome back, everyone. So I've got this new frame that I'm going to build out here. It is the Hyperlite FlosStyle 6-inch Acro frame. I'm going to show you all the pieces and build it out for you today. So if you're interested in this frame, stay tuned to see it. Here it is all laid out here. So first of all, you get 5 of these larger screws here. You get a measurement on them. We're looking at 19 millimeter screws, 20 millimeter screws. Here you get 5 of them, and then you get 18 of these medium-sized screws that are, looks like 8 millimeters, 7.6, 8 millimeters. You get 18 of them, and then these you get of these smaller ones. You get 10 of these. We're looking at 5.5 millimeter screws here. You get 5 of these smaller standoffs, which are 14 or 15 millimeter standoffs. You get 5 of them, and then you get 5 20 millimeter standoffs. You get 6 locking nuts, and then I had 2 nylon nuts in here for some reason. I don't think that's standard. You do get a battery strap in there. You get a Send It sticker, and then you get these micro camera mounts here, 3D printed. You get this one base plate here, kind of holds the arms together in the bottom. I will put it together here in just a minute and show you. We're looking at 2 millimeters. You get a top and a bottom plate, which are the exact same. They are, just to confirm, 2 millimeters. Just to double check, 2 millimeters on both plates. They're the same cut. And then you get 2 of the double arms, which are 5 millimeters. And of course, they're exactly the same. Let's put it together. Alright, so we're going to start to get together here. You do need to remember that these 4 inner screws here are for your flight controller. So you need to make sure you grab these back ends in the back here for your to bolt your arms on. You'll need to use your bottom plate here, and then your long screws will go through this bottom plate. Through here, through the bottom plate. Locking nuts go right here. We got your bottom plate together there. Of course, we'll need these smaller screws here to go on our standoffs on the ends. then you'll use the small standoffs in here on top of these screws here. Alright, and then we've got our top plate. Goes on there. We'll use these other, I guess the medium size screws. The 8mm screws are for your motors. So of course we have a few extras here, and there is, can't get in the shot, 6 inches right there. So do a little measurements. So from motor to motor, left to right, we are looking at 183 millimeters. Yeah, we're looking at about 183 the front, left to right, and then back should be the same, left to right about 183 millimeters, and then front to back is going to be around 200 millimeters front to back. Yep, 200 millimeters front to back. Alright, let's get the scale out. Alright, so we're going to get a weight on here with no 3D parts. Sorry you can't hardly see that there. We're looking at, I thought it was going to be around 90 grams. It looks like we're at 102 grams on the 6-inch. So, that's better than 120 or 140 for a Freestyle frame. So that is good there. 102, no 3D print. So, all right, looking excited to build this out. I am going to be going 5-inch props on here. That was the recommendation for the Freestyle from Kebab FPV about getting the motors a little bit farther apart and may fly just a little bit better. But anyways, I thought I'd try it. And then, you know, I may even put 6-inch props on it eventually, but I'm building it out as a 5-inch with 6-inch arms. So look forward to seeing that. I don't know, maybe you do build out, I'm not quite sure. Yeah. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.
Make the ground shake.